Alright guys, so it is Madden.mobile.life underscore from Instagram coming at you guys. Finally making a YouTube account. Um yeah, I guess I'll be doing some sniping. In this episode I'll be doing some sniping and a 300k pack opening, which is about 35-40 packs I think. Math genius. But who are you guys rooting for in this game? I think I'm taking the Seahawks again because I think they're at home. I don't know. But it's just 5:36, so let's go snipe. Now I just have this open, so I can be quiet while I'm sniping. So we got a Joe Hayden, which isn't the best, but he is an alright cornerback, I guess. So now it's pack opening. So I'm gonna do 300k, so it's gonna go to 1,677,000. So after this, I'll probably be doing like the quick sales and stuff, large quick sale. So 1,677,000 is what I'm going to. Nothing so far. Okay, let's go again. Hopefully I get at least 3 elites. 2 or 3 elites is what I'm looking for. Okay, I guess. Oh, didn't even get a look at his stats, but that guy was pretty good. Okay, this time I'm just gonna reveal all. Like 3 times in a row, I'm gonna reveal all. That's it. There's one. Ooh, Stephen Gilmore. That's pretty good. And a faggot. No, I'm kidding. King Dunlap. Okay. Yes, Trayvon Austin. Okay, let's continue to 1. So, still, I think that was like 100k in that pack opening. So looking for 2 more, and we're not gonna get one. But Mike Jenkins. That was pretty good. So we're just gonna reveal all 2 more times, and then we'll just do the single finger. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, so you guys comment below, because I know some people don't like it when I single finger. Some people like it when I just push reveal all. It's pretty dumb how people get mad over that, but I mean, whatever, I guess. Oh, 10k, so that kind of pays for 1 pack. And I'm new to YouTube, so yeah. I'll be posting some sets later with all this stuff. Well, if you guys are wondering what I'm recording with, what app, it's called Mobizen, Mobizen. So if you guys want to look into that or anything, and can you guys please follow my Instagram page? I have really good snipes on there that I record. Well, not well, yeah, I record actually. And yeah, please follow me on there and like and subscribe on here for more videos. Okay, I'm just gonna do one finger on this one. So 1,677,000. Gotta keep that in mind. Jason Verrett. Okay, I guess that's pretty good. See, I would open these signature packs if they weren't such a big ripoff, but they are a big ripoff, so I'm not gonna open them. Turn down my volume just in case you guys can't hear me. Should have probably done that earlier. So let's see, no one. Charles Clay. Hopefully we get another elite. I just want at least one more elite. Just one more. One more, two more would make me really happy. Three more would make me super happy. But one would be good, I hope. Oh, Doomerville. And I actually do sell coins for Google Play and Visa prepaid cards, but don't have an iTunes, don't have an Apple device, so not iTunes, and Amazon don't use, so yeah, Google Play, just DM me on my Instagram, yeah. Oh, I thought this one was an elite. I don't know why, but whatever. So I think we just need 100, exactly 100k more. Yeah, he sucks. My team overall kind of sucks, but whatever, I guess. Good at sniping, so. I just like snipe and sell the players. It's not even like, I don't know, I just don't keep them, sell them. Like a Calvin Johnson or Jamal Charles, I'll keep. Like Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, or any legends. Yeah. Kyle Long. See, this one is nothing. So this might not pay off, but hopefully those large quick sells, really hope they pay off actually. Because if not, it might be like 2 or 3 days before I could even do another one of these. I'll hit like 3 mil and do like, actually when I get to 3 mil, I'll probably do like 500,000 pack opening, which would be crazy. So you guys might want to see that one. And yeah, in the comments, you guys, like, just comment anything you want me to do later on. Like, I don't know, I'll probably do giveaways and stuff. Ooh, Pro Pack gift. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm doing the sets, like I said, doing the sets later. So I think we're just 30k away. So like 3 more packs after this one. We'll do 4 more packs after this one because we got the Pro Pack and the other 2. So yeah. So I guess I'm only gonna get that one elite. Really sucks, like really bad actually. But can we clutch it? I don't know. It's gonna be kind of crazy. Just one more after this one, so we can clutch it within 1 pack. I mean, so for some people, ooh, so 6 trophy pack. 6 trophy pack. Okay. Well, some of these packs are juiced for people. Like I swear, like I don't even know. They're so juiced for some people. It's crazy. And we're gonna get nothing out of that. Well, you know what? One more. Let's see if we can clutch it. Clutch mode, Johnny. Okay. Woo, clutch. No, I'm kidding. No, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna be posting this video to YouTube, and yeah, hope you guys like.